tornado hits Rivian factory. Potential impact on critical R2 SUV launch. A tornado has struck Rivian's manufacturing facility in Normal, Illinois, causing structural damage to a key production building. While the company confirmed that no injuries occurred, the incident comes at a high-stakes moment for the electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer as it prepares for the rollout of its highly anticipated R2 SUV. The incident at Building 2 over the weekend, an EF1 intensity tornado directly impacted Building 2 at the Normal plant. According to internal communications from CEO RJ Scaring, the facility sustained damage, including a significant section of the roof collapsing inward. The building in question is vital to the company's near-term strategy, as it serves as a primary hub for R2 logistics, including the delivery and management of parts. Current status of operations. Safety first. Staff followed emergency protocols and sought shelter during the storm. Temporary pause. Operations in Building 2 have been suspended while the site is secured. Recovery timeline. Rivian expects to resume operations in the impacted building sometime this week. Uninterrupted areas. Production at other facilities within the complex remains on schedule. Why the R2 launch is critical for Rivian. This disruption is more than just a localized maintenance issue. It is a potential hurdle for Rivian's financial recovery. For several years, Rivian has faced the challenge of losing money on every vehicle produced, a byproduct of massive capital investments in infrastructure and manufacturing scaling. The R2 SUV is intended to be the turning point for the company. Unlike the premium, lower-volume R1 series, the R2 is designed for mass-market scale. Rivian is banking on the R2 to achieve the volume necessary to reach profitability, aiming to sell between 20,000 and 25,000 units by the end of this year. If successful, this launch would rank among the fastest EV rollouts in U.S. history, trailing only the massive success of Tesla's Model Y. Looking ahead. Scaling production. While the Illinois plant currently handles R2 production alongside the R1 series and electric delivery vans, Rivian's long-term growth strategy relies on geographic expansion. The company is currently preparing to build a new manufacturing facility near Atlanta, Georgia, which will eventually house production for both the R2 and the upcoming R3 hatchback. At this stage, Rivian has not officially confirmed whether the damage to Building 2 will delay the scheduled rollout of the R2 in the coming weeks. Conclusion. While the physical damage is being addressed and no employees were harmed, the timing of the tornado introduces a layer of uncertainty for Rivian's most important product launch to date. The company's ability to quickly restore logistics in Building 2 will be key to maintaining its ambitious delivery targets for the R2.